Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do motion tracking in Inshot. So if you want to make an object to follow a certain movement of your video, or you want to do camera tracking or motion tracking, this is what you are going to do by using Inshot. First, let's launch the Inshot apps. And in here you can just tap on this video to create a new project, and then you can tap on new, then just select your videos. So for example, I'm going to select this videos right here. You can click on a check icon after you select the video, and then you can just choose which one that you want to track. For example, I'm going to go first split the clip so that it doesn't too long. Let's hit on split and delete the rest of them. And here I'm going to put on stickers to track the movement or the motion. I'm going to go with, let's try this one. You can adjust the size of the stickers and reposition it. I'm going to put it in here on top of the object that I want to track. You can click on a check icon. Don't forget to adjust the length of the stickers to match with the clips. Okay, and now you can click on a sticker again and swipe through the toolbar at the top, and here you'll find tracking. Click on that. Here you can choose this one if you want to cover the face, but here I'm going to use the second option, this one's right here, so that I want to track the object. So here you can just drag this green circle into the object that you want to track. You can always adjust the size to how you like it. I'm going to go with this, and then you can just tap on start tracking. Now it will be processing, so you cannot lock screen or switch to the other apps while the tracking process is running. Now it's complete. You can just close this and let's see the result. Now you can see that my sticker is following the motion or the movement of the object that I choose. So this is the final result. And guys, that wraps up the tutorial on how you can do motion tracking on Inshot. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, also click on a thanks. Bye.